Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the emulator environment. Make sure the Android SDK and an x86 system image are present. Once done, enable CPU virtualization in BIOS or UEFI so the emulator runs fast. Next, install Intel Haxum or use your platform hypervisor. This accelerates CPU and graphics. Now open AVD Manager, pick a device profile that matches your target screen size and API, and select the x86 system image. Create the AVD that starts the core virtual device you'll configure next. Now you tune the virtual device for realistic testing and performance. Change RAM, VM heap, and internal storage, but avoid starving your host. Balanced memory keeps both stable. Set graphics to hardware accelerated when available, and decide on cold boot versus quick boot snapshots depending on test repeatability. Configure camera, sensors, and network settings to emulate device behavior. If you need Google Play services, choose a Play Store image. Otherwise, you can drag and drop APKs or run a DB install to push builds for immediate testing. Finally, launch the AVD and deploy your app from Android Studio or with a DB. You control the device like a real phone. Use the emulator toolbar for GPS, battery, camera, rotation, and network throttling to validate edge cases. Make sure clipboard and file sharing are enabled for quick testing and take snapshots for repeatable states. If the emulator refuses to boot or is sluggish, wipe AVD data first. If that fails, confirm CPU virtualization and hypervisor settings. Disabling competing Hyper-V or reinstalling Haxum often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.